Hello, guys. So today we're going to talk about the definite and indefinite nouns in Arabic. So basically called المعرفة والنكرة. So indefinite nouns called nakira. Nakira, like an a and an in English language. Okay? So when you talk about a non-specific noun, a non-specific person or an object. So and we have the definite معرفة. معرفة, it plays the role of the, like when you talk about a specific person or something. Okay, let's start it with indefinite nouns, nakira, nakira. So refer to something general or unknown. So and it has two features. The first one, it has alif, it has no alif and lam. It has no alif and lam. Alif and lam is worked for the definition. And most of the time has tanween, like the doubling. As you see here, double kasra, double fatha, and double dhamma. For example, here we have kitabun, kitabun. So it has two features. It has no alif and lam here at the beginning, all right? And it has tanween at the end. So bu will be bun. We had seen the last video. If you don't know what is tanween, you can watch the previous videos. More examples we have here قلم, so it has no alif and lam, and it has tanween at the end. We have mim and we have dhamma. Two dhammas will be mun, قلم, بيت, بيت, طالب. So for example we have here عندي كتاب, I have, عندي, I have كتاب, I have a book. Not a specific book, just a book. We don't know. I have a book, a random book. Who knows? Okay. عندي كتاب. So كتاب here has no alif and lam. Also has tanween at the end. بن, كتاب. هناك رجل. هناك there is. So here we speak about a man, not a specific man. Okay, there is a guy here, there. We don't know the guy. So رجل, a random person. رجل. So no alif and lam and tanween at the end. رجل. And we have معرفة. So معرفة, the definite nouns. So معرفة is the opposite. It has alif and lam. So this is the difference. So if someone asks you what is the difference between معرفة and nakira, nakira has no alif and lam. The معرفة has it. That's so simple. Okay. So كتاب will be الكتاب. Alright. كتاب will be الكتاب. بيت will be البيت. So we have added alif and lam here. طالب will be الطالب. And there is no tanween, of course. You see, the end of this word, we don't say الطالب, no, الطالب. One single dhamma, alright? Because we talk about معرفة here. The proper nouns, the proper names, okay, the personal names, always definite. Because if we call Muhammad, we call as a particular Muhammad, okay, not a random person, a particular Muhammad. And if we say Maryam, Maryam is the Arabic version of Miri, all right? So the Arabs say Maryam al-Adra, the Virgin Mary, Maryam. Always definite. And we have for the countries, Al-Maghrib, Morocco, Morocco, Al-Maghrib. There is one Morocco, one Egypt. one space. So if we say المغرب, you have to put ألف on لا because it's معرفة specific. محمد طالب. So here محمد is definite. طالب a student. So for the countries, for proper nouns, for maybe specific places, like we say الساحة الحمراء, the red square in Russia. So there is one red square. If I say الساحة الحمراء with the definition ألف واللام, you will know that I'm talking about the red square in Moscow. All right. And also the pronouns أنا هو هي. So when I call someone, when I say I'm talking about myself, a specific person. Okay. معرفة, a known person. Okay. When I address to him هو, so I'm talking about a specific person, and so on. Of course, and demonstratives. Yeah. When I say هذا or that, so I'm talking about a specific object. So it's always معرفة. هذا كتاب. This is a book. هذا الكتاب. All right. This is a book. That's the book. Okay. So it can has two. You have two options. So if I say هذا كتاب, this is a book. So if I say هذا الكتاب, I'm saying this the book. I'm addressing to it. هذا الكتاب specific. Okay. And also the positions. كتاب الطالب. كتاب الطالب. بيت محمد. Alright. For the position, always معرفة. That's everything for today, guys. I hope everything was clear. And I will see you next time. If you have any questions, please comments and follow me on social media. Thank you, guys.